Millones. Millones. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for this food. Thank you for this trip. Thank you for everything. So refreshing. Hindi mo kaya. Magbabarbecue tayo. Hala, field trip namin. Sorry. Field trip all boys. Hanapin natin si Gesta. Si Gesta ay nahanap ko online. Tingnan natin kung nasaan siya. Ito yung part na ani. Pipili ka kung sinong gusto mo kasama, B. Hindi ko makita yung pangalan ko. Nakatulog na ata yung driver ko. Diba? Naghahanap ka ng pagmamahal. Naghahanap ka ng pamilya dito, kapards. Guys, nakita ko na siya, guys. Ayun, naka-block. Can you show them my name? Hello.
Ganda kali.
Ay. Morning. Good morning, Bali. Tingin, para hindi mo makita mga loha mo.
Wala nang loha to.
Thank you. Itong mga outfit natin, ito na yan. Naka-pre pack.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please, yeah?
Yes, will do. Nasi goreng.
I'm going to market too early because you're too early. Yeah, I'm stuck 8 and finish there.
Wow, thank you. Appreciate it. Authentic nasi goreng. Here's the breakfast. And the view. Lulungkot yung host. Saglit lang daw kami ni Mitch. Di niya alam, natulog lang talaga kami dito, pards. Alam mo yun? Gusto lang namin makita yung vibes ng Ubud, pero as far as I know, medyo busy kasi talaga dito. And ayaw ko ng vibe na yun. Ito yung daan sa baba, oh. Very skinita, no? Here you go. Thank you. Yes!
You have friend something you call, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, ang ganda. She's the owner.
This for offering.
Yes, for offering.
Nice.
Kaya ng Grab, andito na daw siya. Ito ang aking date. Wow! Ang ganda naman! Sobra na yan. Ganyan magpinahan dito, guys. Ganyan. Ito lang yung daan, no? Tapos ayun. We're so close to hitting each other. Wow. So we're here. Wow. May nagbe-vape. Gabi. And itong kanilang menu. Wala. Thank you. We'll get this one.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 pa. Grabe guys, milyones. Milyones.
Natatawa si ate, oh. Sana all baliw.
40. 40. Ayan. Hello, this is the payments.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Ah?
Yes.
Okay, water?
Yes. Di mo kaya, magbabarbecue tayo. May baga. This is the place. Ayan. Very, very traditional. For lunch, we opted for Balinese. Here's our lunch. Nasi goreng, chicken fingers, some fries, and then refresher.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for this food. Thank you for this trip. Thank you for everything. So refreshing. Yeah.
Sarap! Ito pala lasa ng authentic na migo ring. Social lang yun sa'yo. Ang ingay. Foods pa, tara. Dito lang, along the way, oh. Doon kami nag-lunch, oh. Doon kami nag-lunch. What's the feeling?
Tickle.
Pickle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yan kami ni mama ko. Salamat! Salamat, dito kami siya may... Wait lang, huwag ka magulo. Sige na, baba mo na yung sayo. Oh my God! Diba? Yan ang trip, guys. Tapos, ito ang view. Sa akin din naman, oh. Here. And then, ito lang siya pagpasok. You have the pool, the view, and then like a kitchen area, and then the bathroom, walang bathtub. Tapos ito na siya paglabas. May tatlo pang superior room kagaya nung sa amin. Diba, ganun lang yung konting option, mas madaling pumili. Breakfast hunting. Ay, palitan. Pero ayan, oh. Walking distance lang from our Airbnb. Ano na siya, guys. We're here. Hala, salamat. Grabe naman yung acts of service na yan.
Yeah, my name is Samantha.
Hello, Narta.
Hello.
Sana ka tayo si ate. Naubos na namin siya. Pwede na akong minom ng coffee. Sarap pumahagod yung ginger. Buzzer beater ang mga tao. Hindi kami nagboto. Wala natin. Iwan lang kami. It's the vote. Nag-iwan lang kami ng gamit. May locker sila ditong ino-offer for free.
Free ba yan?
Oo, subukan nila mag-charge there. Iniwan namin yung mga ibang gamit para madala namin. So, we rent this to go to 4 destination. Seaweed farm.
Spontan dan berkembang.
Starting the worker, working already start working. Yeah, pick up the seaweed, bring here, and then put on the here like this.
Ah, so that's the seaweed already.
We put on the sun, ensure the color yellow,
Uh-huh.
and ready to sell.
So, it's a 2-minute walk from there. You have to pay 25,000 rupiah, which is about 90 pesos. And then, this is the Devil's Tears. Apparently, there's no current yet, so medyo kalmado pa siya. But supposedly, malakas yung current. Gumaganon siya. Walang tao. Ang saya. That's why, yan ang sasabihin mo kapag wala kayong label, okay? Don't cross the line. Charet. Ayan! That's how it looks like. Ganda, parang may color. Wow! Supposedly, dapat this should be free. Lalo na kung walang ganyan. Can we get a refund? Tsare. Ay, na-capture ko, ting! Ganda! Merong rainbow! Oh my gosh! One more time! One more time! Come on! Woohoo! Ting, ganda! Yun na yung current namin, guys. Binabawi ko na. Ano, may turtle! Turtle!
You think that crowd's gonna be a pain or
We're here. Free lunch from the day trip.